Hi dear friend, this is the bone zipper which some customer use for trousers. Look at this is the trousers which I bought from G2000. So let's see the details for this zipper. The running is very smooth and the slider is the pin lock. This is a pin lock, okay? And we can see, you cannot see the teeth on the surface. And this zipper advantage is with more strong pulling strength than the normal one. Look at this one. We can see the teeth from the surface, and it's not strong same as the bone zipper. This bone zipper is more strong. So if you are interested to buy the bone zipper for trousers or for some pocket, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.